Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we will be discussing difficult words in the English language and their meaning in detail. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, but it can also be one of the most difficult to master. Whether you are a student, a professional or just someone who wants to improve their vocabulary, this video is for you. In this video, we will be exploring 20 of the most difficult words in the English language and their meanings in detail. Word 1. Supercilious. The first word we will be discussing is supercilious. This word is used to describe someone who is haughty or disdainful in their behavior and attitude towards others. For example, the manager's supercilious attitude made it difficult for employees to approach him. Word 2. Obfuscate. The next word is obfuscate. This word means to make something confusing or unclear, often deliberately. For example, the lawyer tried to obfuscate the facts in the case. Word 3. Fastidious. The next word is fastidious. This word is used to describe someone who is meticulous and demanding in their attention to detail. For example, the fastidious chef made sure every dish was prepared to perfection. Word 4. Inscrutable. The next word is inscrutable. This word is used to describe someone who is difficult to understand or figure out, often because they are keeping their emotions and thoughts hidden. For example, the detective's inscrutable expression made it impossible to know what he was thinking. Word 5. Loquacious. The next word is loquacious. This word is used to describe someone who is excessively talkative and tends to speak a lot. For example, the loquacious salesman never seemed to stop talking. Word 6. Perfidious. The next word is perfidious. This word is used to describe someone who is disloyal or untrustworthy. For example, the perfidious employee betrayed the company's trust. Word 7. Serendipitous. The next word is serendipitous. This word is used to describe a lucky and unexpected discovery or occurrence. For example, the serendipitous finding of the cure was a major breakthrough in medical research. Word 8. Sinecure. The next word is sinecure. This word is used to describe a job or position that pays well but requires little or no work. For example, the wealthy businessman took a sinecure as a hobby. Word 9. Perspicacious. The next word is perspicacious. This word is used to describe someone who is insightful and astute, possessing good judgment and understanding. For example, the perspicacious investor made wise decisions that led to great success. Word 10. Equivocate. The next word is equivocate. This word means to be deliberately vague or evasive in speech, often in order to mislead or avoid giving a direct answer. For example, the politician was accused of equivocating when asked about their stance on the issue. Word 11. Maelstrom. The next word is maelstrom. This word is used to describe a powerful and chaotic swirl of water, often associated with dangerous currents and whirlpools. For example, the boat was caught in a maelstrom and capsized. Word 12. Incognito. The next word is incognito. This word is used to describe someone who is disguised or hiding their identity. For example, the famous actor traveled incognito to avoid being recognized. Word 13. Obtuse. The next word is obtuse. This word is used to describe someone who is slow to understand or lacks the ability to grasp complex ideas. For example, the obtuse student struggled to keep up with the advanced coursework. Word 14. Propinquity. The next word is propinquity. This word is used to describe the state of being close in proximity or relationship. For example, the propinquity of the two countries led to closer trade relations. Word 15. Superfluous. The next word is superfluous. This word is used to describe something that is unnecessary or surplus to requirements. For example, the manager found that many of the expenses were superfluous and could be cut. Word 16. Venerable. The next word is venerable. This word is used to describe someone or something that is respected and admired due to their age, reputation or achievements. For example, the venerable institution has been a symbol of excellence for over a century. Word 17. Xenophobic. The next word is xenophobic. This word is used to describe someone who has a fear or dislike of people from other countries or cultures. For example, the xenophobic politician made controversial statements about immigration. Word 18, Zephyr. The next word is zephyr. This word is used to describe a gentle and soft breeze, often associated with spring and summer. For example, the zephyrs blew softly through the trees, rustling the leaves. Word 19, Zelig. The last word we will be discussing is zelig. This word is used to describe someone who is able to adapt and fit into any situation or group, often to the point of being unnoticed. For example, the Zelig employee was able to blend in with any team and get the job done. Word 21, luminous. The next word is luminous. This word is used to describe something that gives off or reflects light, or someone who is bright and radiant. For example, the luminous full moon shone brightly in the night sky. And that's it for today's video on difficult words in the English language and their meaning in detail. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.